What's good, guys? It's your boy Black Lightning 4547, and today we're gonna do another demonstration. And I got some students in the background. So,
Hi, students. Hi.
hey. And so today they want to learn how my fire alarm system works. So let's go ahead and do that.
Okay.
So right here is the Simplex 2901 988 mechanical horn on the Wheelock RSSP strobe plate. Okay. Right here, turn the light on. We have the Siemens. Hold up. We got the Siemens HMS-S pole station right there. And then in my room, if you want to come in, notification in here is a Gentex GOS 24-110WW. And then for the pole station in my room, we got the B&G 1R made by Notifier. And of course, the good old MS5UD. Firelight MS5UD. So right now, the system is set on code 3 or temporal. And if you have photosensitive epilepsy in this crib ball, I suggest you do not watch this portion of the video. And do not pull any alarms unless it's a real emergency. You agree with me?
Yes.
So which one? Actually, should we have my cousin pull it?
Sure.
Which one you want to do? You want to do the one in my room or in my out there?
In the hall.
You want me to film her or just point the camera at the pole? Okay. So, expect some loudness. Yeah, I suggest you get away from the horn. Alright, go ahead when you're ready. And it's on, has a 5-second delay between the pull and the actual alarm, so here we go. So we're gonna go to the panel, and we're gonna silence an alarm. Oh, hold up. And right now the alarms are on audible silence, which means the strobes will continue to flash. And by the way, that's 75 candela. This one was 110 candela. Do you want me to activate this pool? Or you want me to just silence it and reset the system on? I usually re-alarm it. Alright. So now we're going to test the pole station in my room. 3, 2, 1. Acknowledge, we're gonna hit silence. We're gonna go into reset the pole station using the no fire key. And we can't reset the system because this pole station in the hallway is still active. So let's go ahead and reset it. We're gonna reset it using an Allen wrench. Hold up, let me use it the other way. You alright down there?
Yes.
Granny, all right?
No, she's annoyed.
Okay.
And then we're going to close it and tighten it back up. Because it's called audible silence. I can't be telling I reset the pole station and reset the system. What, do you have epilepsy or something?
You might. I don't know what the hell is going.
I mean, you wanted me to do this, so you can't really. Alright, the pole station resetted. We gotta go to the panel and we're gonna hit system reset. And that is it for today.
Yay!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, those are my wonderful students. And so, we're going to go ahead and lock up the panel and call it a night. All right. So, hope you guys enjoy. I'm Black Lightning. Peace out.